Rounding numbers. Rounding numbers or rounding off numbers means making a number easier to work with by changing it to the nearest whole number. To round, look to the place value before the one you want to round to. At dapat tandaan kapag tayo ay magra-round ng number or rounding off numbers, kapag ang katabing number ng ira-round off na number ay 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, magra-round down tayo. Ibig sabihin, hindi mababago yung number na nira-round off natin. Kapag naman ang katabi ay 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, tayo ay magra-round up. Ibig sabihin, yung number na ira-round off natin ay madadagdagan ng isa. Example, round off the number to the nearest hundreds. So we have 5,713. The place value is ones, tens, and hundreds. The hundreds placed is 7. So, tingnan natin yung katabi ng 7. Ang katabi ng 7 ay 1. So, tayo ay mag-round down. Mananatiling 7 yung nasa hundreds place at yung mga numbers sa kanyang kanan ay magiging 0. Kaya, ang mangyayari ay magiging 5,700. Next example, 5,784. Kung kanina ang katabi ay 1, ngayon naman ang katabi ay 8. Ones ay 4, tens ay 10, ang hundreds ay 7, ang katabi ng 7 ay 8, kaya tayo ay magra-round up. Ang number 7, dadagdagan natin ng isa, kaya ito ay magiging 8 at yung number na nasa kanan ay magiging 0. Kaya meron tayong 5,800. Next, round off to the nearest thousands. 5,784. The numbers in the thousands place is 5 at ang katabi niya ay 7. So tayo ay magra-round up. Magdadagdag tayo ng isa sa 5 kaya ito ay naging 6 and then the number on its right side which is 7, 8, and 4 ay magiging 0, 0, 0 kaya tayo nakakuha ng 6,000. Next example, round off the number to the nearest 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 9 is the 10,000s place. At tingnan natin yung katabi ng 9 which is 2. So tayo ay magra-round down. Hindi mababago yung number na ni-round off natin. Kukopyahin lang natin 5, 9, and then the numbers on its right side which is 2, 1, 2, and 4 ay magiging 0, 0, 0, 0. Kaya tayo ay nakakuha ng 590,000. Next example. Round off the number to the nearest 100,000s. We have 592,124. This is the ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. So 5 is the 100,000s and then ang katabi niya ay 9. So magdadagdag tayo ng isa sa 1 kaya ito ay naging 6 at lahat ng number na nasa gawing kanan ay magiging 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have 600,000.